upon us, Shane.
It is, and it's going to be a little bit heavy at times through the overnight into tomorrow morning. We go to Pinpoint Doppler now, tracking that rain. And you can see there's quite a bit, especially down in the Cumberland Valley, where there's some heavier rainfall rates there in the eastern part of Pulaski County, getting right across into Laurel County, down towards Laurel Lake. Rainfall rates going there upwards of 2 inches or a quarter inch per hour. So that's a decent little clip there. We can zoom on in towards that heavier cell just southwest of London, and you can see there between Somerset and London, just east of 27, pretty decent little cell near Burnside. That is working off to the east, and that will continue to do so over the next several hours. So just be aware, going to be a little bit of a soggy morning commute here in the mountains. Okay, so let's take a look at the headlines for today. We had some record warm temperatures before all this rain moved in. In fact, high today in Jackson, 70 degrees, and in London, 69 degrees. So we ended up beating the records in both cases. Now, the forecast for the morning, looking super soggy out there. You can see all that moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico through portions of Alabama and Tennessee right now, and that's going to be on our doorstep tomorrow morning, and watching for the potential of a few flakes on Friday morning. Now, I'm not expecting a lot of snow, but maybe just enough that if we can see a trace of accumulation at the Weather Service office in Jackson, we'd tie for the 7th latest snow in eastern Kentucky, or the 7th latest start to the snow season, excuse me. Temperatures right now low 60s, except down in Middlesboro and Wise, where we're in the 50s. The Kentucky Mesonet, though, showing a lot of 50s out there as that rain is moving in. 57 Richmond, 56 McKee, Barberville, 57 Whitley City. All right, bottom line, tomorrow morning, it is going to be a soggy one, and temperature is actually going to fall through the morning. We'll start out in the mid to low 50s and then go into the lower 50s and upper 40s by 9 o'clock as that rain continues. So just be ready to deal with that. And the temperatures continue to head downhill into the weekend. 39 your high on Friday, 41 on Saturday. Finally, for what it seems like the first time this month, actually heading below average temperature-wise. Okay, Future View shows that front moving on through. Behind it, the northwest wind kicks in Friday. Clouds picking back up, a few snow showers and pockets of wintry mix develop. Once again, not expecting accumulation from this, at least significant on the ground. Could we get a rooftop or two coated? Certainly not out of the realm of possibility, but it's not a great chance. And really quickly, let's take a look towards next week. We're back to the 50s and 60s through early next week, but here's a sneak peek at your Christmas Eve and Christmas Day forecast. 65 with a slight rain chance on Christmas Eve, 68 and sunny the forecast right now for Christmas Day. Chances of white Christmas, Tanner, looking pretty low. We're going to need a Christmas miracle if you want to see snow on Christmas right now.
We'll keep an eye on it, Shane. Thanks. Coming up next in sports, one junior college lineman inks with Kentucky.